depending on which direction the markets will go. If there is a downturn, then certainly part of the proving ground for the fintechs is to go through a full cycle, and for them to be able to survive and go through a downturn as well as they go through an uptick in the economy is going to be very important for proving that their business model is very sound. And so I think that's going to be critical for them, and there will be some changes in their businesses because of that. And I think that's, at the end of the day, a good thing. I think people are waiting to see how they're going to react in that kind of an economic environment. Each one will have their path that they're going down. And I think that they have to, just like the incumbents, they have to pick their spots as well too. And I think if their exit strategy is for either partnering or being acquired by a larger financial institution, they have to make sure that they are as robust and attractive to them as possible. And that's going to be including as much of the controls, regulatory processes, all of those frameworks have to be embedded into those organizations to be able to align to the financial institutions as quickly as possible. So I would see for them to make sure that they're able to manage the downside of their business as well as they can, and make sure they have the processes in place to be able to manage that, but then also to make sure that their overall structure is robust enough from a regulatory standpoint, from a financial standpoint, controls, processes, all of those things have to come together to really make them as attractive as possible to larger financial institutions.